DroneLogbook provides commercial drone operators with industry-leading tools that save you time in managing and tracking flights, equipment, and personnel, maintaining records and generating compliance documentation. In addition, we provide a private label version for those organizations needing additional security and flexibility. Inside the DroneLogbook platform, everything starts at your dashboard. Here, you'll see all the features and functions you need to plan and manage your operations, everything from flight planning through to report generation. The Profile section allows you to store information about yourself, your organization, and your employees, along with all documents associated with each. The Inventory section allows you to manage your drones, batteries, and equipment, and track usage across your organization by flights, hours, or cycles. You'll also keep a detailed record of all the locations you've flown here. Once input here, all of this information will be available at a click when planning flights. All personnel are tracked with latest flights and flight times to help keep pilot currency. In addition, the organization administrator can set permission levels for each user to allow for greater operational control. Under Maintenance, you can track the maintenance history for drones, batteries, and equipment. You can also schedule and check on upcoming maintenance and receive alerts when a scheduled maintenance is overdue. With Incidents, you can record specific occurrences either for internal use or for regulatory compliance reporting. Under Documents, you can use digital forms from our growing library of pre-flight documents, as well as create custom checklists and risk assessment forms. In addition, you can use your own documents if preferred. With all of this information in place, you can now plan a mission with ease. In planned missions, you can assign pilots, equipment, attach documentation, and map your location prior to takeoff. Once a mission is complete, you can sync with flights to complete the mission. In the Flights section, you can either enter flights manually or import flights from your log files. DroneLogbook even allows you to support multiple log files simultaneously. We support log files from over 50 sources to make this process smooth and efficient. DroneLogbook logs a history of every flight, and each flight is automatically assigned a unique number for fast, easy searching. Once imported, you'll see a history of your flights and important notations such as night flights and BVLOS. Just click on the flight name to see detailed information about that flight, including the ability to play it back in a 3D viewer and share the flight data with others. In addition, all your flight documentation, incidents, and other notes associated with the flight are accessible here. DroneLogbook is integrated with local airspace tools to document your airspace status. You can also view the actual recorded flight path from your log file set against the originally planned flight area. All flights and documents for a project are accessible via the project folder, allowing for easy search and retrieval. Finally, the Reports section is where you'll use your stored data to generate compliance reports for numerous regulatory agencies, such as the FAA, CAA, and CASA, as well as the ability to create custom reports. No matter how many flights you record, reporting takes seconds. You can even recreate an old report. All of this is supported via a mobile app, allowing you to access your information in the field and even work when not connected. DroneLogbook helps you minimize administrative work so you can focus on flying.